Rescue crews and emergency workers are on standby to assist with relief efforts immediately. To keep a safe distance from the perimeters of the storm until it passes, to begin cleanup routines. Food is a necessary defense. The more pods, the more containers, the greater our success in this emergency mission. Joint operations from Air Force can assist enormously in delivering supplies to affected regions. Healthcare workers are encouraged to make themselves available and screen for bad medications to areas affected by weather strikes. The media will keep us updated with the latest developments. I will report back as more information becomes available. A relief effort donation account has been set up by SAFE for those who wish to contribute, generating funding for more food and supplies. Thank you.